in my kitchen. I'm not even in the nail room. This just came in the mail. I put it on my kitchen counter and opened the box. I could not even wait. I could not wait to go to the nail room, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so, oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited, y'all. Oh, look at the form. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, and this package came so quick, so I feel like I literally just ordered it. Oh, look at the tip. Oh my gosh, look at the tips, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm about to go in the nail room so we can do an official. We can do an official unbox. Wait a minute. I feel like something is missing because I just remembered I ordered something that did not come in again. Okay, so when we do the unboxing, I'll tell you guys exactly what I ordered and what I do not see. Oh man. Oh man, I hope I'm not missing it. Okay, let's go to the nail room, guys. Let's go to the nail room. I'm singing already. You know it's going to be a lit day. It's going to be a lit day when I'm already singing. Okay, let's go. Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back, you guys. You already saw the intro. You know what time it is. Now, before we get into that, let's give a hey, girl, hey to my nail sister, Marie. So I'm giving you a shout out, Marie, because you gave me a shout out. Marie wants to give me a shout out because I convinced her to go back to school and get her nail license. Congrats, mama. I also want to say hey, girl, hey to Tasha, Marie, and Queen, because you guys have squares by your name, which means you're a Nail Crew member. So thanks, you guys. All right, let's get started. Let's get started. I love when companies put the little cards in and they say hi, gorgeous, because I'm like, how'd you know? You know what I mean? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. All right. You get glue. I'm just picking things up randomly, okay? No particular order. So we're just going to start with the brush on glue. I actually love how they packaged it in that like metallic-y background. That was cute. You also get a block buffer, and then you also get a 180 and a 240. So this is a file on one side and a buffer on the other side. That's pretty cool. You also get these. Oh my God, I love these kind of boomerang files. One's a 80/80 and one is a 100/180. So that, you guys, this is a really cool kit. Okay, you get a lot of stuff. You also get a brush. Now, this is one critique that I do have so far. The brush is absolutely gorgeous, but she is too small, darling. So this is supposed to be a size 12, but it looks more like an 8 to me, and I prefer like a 12 to a 14. So I do understand why they would put a smaller brush. One, it keeps the cost down, and two, it's more beginner friendly. So yeah, personal preference, I would have wanted something a little bit larger. All right, so this is the primer. I am going to give it a little sniff for you guys. It smells like non-acidic primer. You guys know non-acidic primer is a little bit sweeter smelling, while an acidic primer, that smells more like acetone almost, okay? So now I'm smelling the prep, and this actually smells kind of the same. Like they almost have a similar smell, but the prep has more of a like acidic-y, acetone-y smell to it. I don't know, you guys. They're the ingredients on the screen. You guys, yeah, there you go. The bottles are so adorable. Oh my God. I love the square bottles, first of all. I love the square bottles, and I love the jewel on top. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Matte black with a little jewelry. Love, love, love. The matte top coat, nice and thick. I'm not used to seeing a thick matte coat. I'm used to seeing matte coats that are like more thin. So it's going to be interesting to see what it looks like actually on the nail. I can't wait to try that. We also have a glossy top coat. The consistency on both of them is nice. Like, y'all, I'm so excited and so impressed. All right, so far everything that I have showed you and everything that's on the screen comes in the kit. but the base coat does not. I did purchase the base coat separately, okay? And I'll put the price and everything up on the screen so you can see how much I paid. But the base coat does come separately. Everything else does come in the kit, and it's on sale. The kit is on sale for $150 plus I got a coupon code. I got a coupon code. I got a coupon code to save yourself some coins. All right, that's enough of that. I'm so sorry. I got carried away, you guys. I got carried away. Okay, so it does come with 4 ounces of monomer, and there is some monomer in my Dap & Dish already. I'll explain why later. All right, so here are the forms. So listen, you guys. When I went on the site, there was so much of like everything. Like, oh my God, like you just want to just buy everything. And I definitely wanted to get the forms. But then when I saw the kit, like everything was already in my cart to check out. And then I looked at the kit, and the kit had almost everything in it that I was already going to purchase, plus the forms. So I was like, okay. And it was on sale. So I definitely just went with the kit. And like I said, the only thing it did not have was the base coat. And then I just added that separately. So yeah, definitely worth it. All right, so you also get some coffin nail tips. Coffin nail tips. I'm just going to sing. I'm just going to sing. Because I'm excited. You guys, I'm excited. I freaking love it. I freaking love it. So I'm going to show you. Here we go. Here's the length of the nail tip. I'm just so excited. I just cannot help it. Everything is just so beautiful. The package is gorgeous. And remember how I had to struggle to open the nail tips earlier? You guys, I actually like that. I actually like that I had to put force in opening it, you know? That means that my nail tips are not going to just open in the drawer and be all over it. Like, I actually have had that happen. All right, let's move on, because you guys know I will get on a story and take it all the way left. And I'll go off on a tangent. But anyway, yeah, here are the tips. I like the packaging. I like that I had to struggle to open it and had to use a little bit of pressure or force to close it. That, it's the little things for me. It's the little things for me. All right, so let's swatch. So the reason I had monomer already in my Dap & Dish, and the reason why there are already swatches on the paper towel. Well, I already swatched, no. So if you guys watched my previous unboxing video, this is the second Tickled Pink unboxing. So if you guys watched the first one where I did Zoom, hey ladies, so I did a Zoom unboxing with Denise and Christy. So I will leave the link to that video in the description box. You guys can watch that video, and then you could go to their channel and watch it on their channel as well. So anyway, because the clarity of the video wasn't that great, I felt like I needed to do like a whole separate unboxing so you guys can see everything really well, and you guys can see the swatches. So that's why I already had monomer in the Dap & Dish, because I already swatched with the ladies. So here I am swatching again. The monomer, the smell, it smells like regular monomer, but like there's like an after smell, like that's a little sweet. I don't know. It smells like regular monomer with the after sweet smell. That's the best way I could say. If any of you guys have this kit, let me know how you describe it, because that's all I could say. Let me know what you guys think about the colors that I chose so far. So all of this, again, all of this comes in a kit that is on sale for $150. I'm gonna keep saying that because I need you guys to save money. I need you guys to save money. Do not wait to get this kit when it goes back to regular price. When it's like $200 and whatever dollars, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it, because I brought it to you while the kit was on sale. Get it while it's on sale. Get it while it's on sale. So the kit comes with, I want to say, 4 2-ounce containers. And so the 2-ounce containers, those colors are standard. They're picked by Tickled Pink, and those are the colors you get. So it's clear, nude, pink, and white. So you could get a really nice French or ombre baby boomer type situation with those 4 colors. And then you get 2 colors in a 1 ounce container that you get to choose, okay? So the ones I chose were that blue and that aqua color. Now what's really cool is the top row, I had already swatched those and capped those in the clear. So the first row is already encapsulated in the Tickle Pink clear. The bottom row, you just watched me swatch those. So those are not encapsulated yet. But if you notice, the encapsulation didn't change the color much. You know how sometimes you get acrylic that's supposed to be clear, but it's not really clear. So when you encapsulate your color, it doesn't look how you wanted it to look. So I just thought it was really cool to point out that their clear is really clear, and I encapsulated the first row, but it looks just like the second row. Like, encapsulating it didn't change the color. I just think that's so cool. So on the side, I just swatched the clear. So the top one, that's the one that's already dried, and that's the one I did with the ladies. The second row obviously is the one I just did for you guys. So that is the kit. And then you also get, oh my gosh, you also get an apron. Are you kidding me right now? Tickle Pink, are you kidding me? You guys, you also get an apron. You also get an apron. Coupon code in the description box. I know y'all want this kit. I know you want this kit. Now crew, I know you want this kit. Coupon code in the description box. You're welcome. What can I say? I love you guys so much. Thanks for rocking with me until the end, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.